Hey guys, here's my new video. I've had a hard time making these videos lately and because they're so complicated, so I decided to go back to basics because I always felt like that was my strongest stuff anyways. And I'll be honest with you, I was surprised when this didn't take off right here. I really thought this would be like the ticket, because here are Birkeland currents. I'm claiming that these mountains right here are Birkeland currents because they twist around each other. And I'm also claiming the Amazon River is an electrical discharge pattern. And my proof is that they are the reoccurring patterns that completely cover this planet, which I'm claiming that all surface features are the direct result of these Birkeland currents and discharge pattern right here. And I'm just going to make this video short and sweet. I'm just going to start off with my first piece of evidence that this is true. And believe me, the rest falls into place too. But I'm going to show you how Italy really got its mountains and how Italy got its shape, because it's Birkeland current related and electrical discharge pattern related. Okay, first I'm going to bring these in. You can see right here that there's a gouge, and it looks identical to this because it is identical to it. Because when I move it in, you can see that I always look at this triangular thing here as like an eye, and I always find its place right there. And you can see that this Birkeland current that's twisting off and twisting away, I guess, you can see has, gouged this area out right here. But it doesn't end there. There's still more evidence here. Now this is also important because it discredits plate tectonics, because of course you've got subduction zones here that we just broke through. As a matter of fact, South America has a subduction zone along its coastline. And as that comes in, you can see that this feature right here fits right in there, which is proof that these sat next to each other. These were attached at one time. They had to be. They're created by the same process. Now, as that fits in there, you can see that things are fitting around here pretty good, actually. You see that? That's that's pretty good. And if I go even closer on the resolution, it's going to fit even better. Now for Italy. First, I want to show you that the Amazon River is definitely not made by gravity. It's made by an electrical discharge, because rivers that are made by gravity don't have reoccurring patterns that fit that good right there. See how it hugs the features on Italy right there? And it just needs to be rotated a little bit, and you can see how it made it. It follows the contours of the boot. See, like that. And then also, this is a sweeping discharge, so it's going to be moving, and you can see it lining up perfect. See that? That's precision. How far away are these from each other? This is South America, and this is the north side of Africa and Europe. And there's supposed to be a mid-Atlantic ridge between these areas also. Look at look at the match. Look at when I move it away, it lines up again. Because it's a sweeping discharge. Look how it fits the boot again. And the Birkeland currents. Watch as it follows the coastline and stuff. See? Now back to these Birkeland currents right here. My proof that these made Italy is right here. As that fits in here, see how it twists over and under? Well, if you look at this, the heel of Italy's boot, you can totally tell it's related to that. And then you can always bring it forward if you don't believe me and see it again. There's a big mystery on where Italy got its mountains. Well, it got its mountains from electrical Birkeland currents. It's obvious. And this is just the beginning. I wanted to make this video short because I can only do 15-minute long videos on this channel. But let's see what we can do here really quick. I was really surprised when I first I found this out like well over a year ago, and I thought, wow, this will get everybody's attention, man, and it got like nobody's attention, and I couldn't believe it. I really couldn't believe. I was like, how is that even possible? Because I can match these things everywhere. For instance, if you got the Red Sea, I just rotate this, and there you go, just like that. Look, see how they split? Just like that. Look how it follows the Red Sea. And then we got our electrical discharge pattern here, doing its job. Look how it fits right in here. I believe this is Andrew's department right here. I think this is something you'd want to know. I mean, come on, look. Obviously, this is it. Look how it fits the features in here. This is the Amazon River. Why the hell would it be fitting these features unless it's not a river, it's a discharge pattern where a rainforest just happened to be on top of it to fill it up. And then I wasn't kidding about these Birkeland currents being responsible for every single surface feature on this planet. I just need to rotate this and fit it right in there. And this goes on and on and on and on. And I mean, this is the real deal. This does exactly what I say, and it also matches no matter how hard you scrutinize these, they line up like they should if they're responsible for the surface features like I claim. I've gone as close as I can get with Google Earth to where I can damn near see people almost on the ground and things still line up. And unbelievably accurate. I've seen some alignments that it doesn't even make sense that they'd match that well because they're opposite sides of the planet. And they all have to do with these Birkeland Current Mountains and the Amazon discharge pattern. This is everything. This is the reoccurring patterns that match everything. It's the key. It's the key to the surface features of planet Earth. Right here, this key will fit every lock. So, and I'm just showing you just this because I spent 2 days on 3 other videos that didn't make it. So I'm just gonna do this quick area, and then I'll be more than happy to make other videos showing these things do the same thing on all the continents. Look, and then you got your Amazon electrical discharge. Could you imagine a lightning bolt that big? Look, coming right off the tip of that. Pretty cool. It's fun. You should try this. Take these overlays and just move it around with the lightning like that. It's pretty cool to imagine how loud that would have been. Look at that. See how it fits? Continually fits over and over again. It's not a coincidence, and it's not by accident. And this is definitely not random. But yeah, it's pretty cool. You should try this. Alright, thanks guys for watching.